Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I want to go through this Leetcode 735 asteroid collision. We are given an array of asteroids of integer representing the asteroids in a row. For each asteroid, the absolute value represents size and the sign represents its direction. So positive means going right, and negative means going left. Each asteroid moves at the same speed. We need to find out the state of the asteroid after all collisions. If the asteroid meets the smaller one will explode, and if both are the same size, but both of them will explode. Two asteroids moving in the same direction will never meet. So let's look at this example. We have 5 going to a right, 10 going right, left, -5 going to the left. So these two guys will hit each other, will meet each other, and because this one is bigger than this one, so that's why this one will stay. And then yeah, that's why these two, because they are moving the same direction. That's why only these two left. And for this one, this pair, and because they're the same size, going to the opposite direction, and none of them will stay. And for this pair, the 2 will collide with the -5, and -5 will stay because it's bigger, and then the 10 and -5 will collide, and the 10 will stay because it's bigger. And for this one, because both of them is, this one is going to left, and then the other 2 going to the right. They never meet each other, so all of them will stay. And this question were asked by Google, Amazon, and all other big names. So let's take a look at the solution. To solve this problem, we need to use a stack. So the key thing to remember about stack is last in, first out. And also we need a temporary list. So ignore this part, and so let's take a look at this part first. If the A stands for asteroid, so if asteroid is greater than 0, and then we will append that to the stack. So that means everything is moving to the right. And then we'll put in a stack. And then else means that it's going to the left. It means it's a negative. And that's why left equal to A. And if the stack, just this is the trigger statement. So if the stack is not empty, and a temporary asteroid will be popped off from the stack. So while there is something in the temporary, as a temporary asteroid, if the temporary is greater than 0, means is that it's going right. So the temporary is going right. That's why we assign it to a right variable. So now we're doing some comparison, right? So if the size of the asteroid is going to the right is bigger than the one that is going to the left, so the right one will win, and then we'll go back to the stack. And if the left one wins, and then we need to move out another asteroid from the stack, and then to fight against the one that's going to the left to see which one wins in the next round. That's why we put it in the temporary asteroid again, and then put it back to the loop to here. And when the right one wins, we break it because it's no more subsequent asteroid needs to come out from the stack. And then sorry, let's go back to this case. So if the left one wins, and also in the case when there's no more the right one in the stack, which will come to this case, and we have to append the left one to the stack. And then that will be the end of the story because there's no more the right ones. And another case will be they are equal size, and this is trivial, and both of them will collide. So that's one possibility where so this is one possibility. So So when the temperature is greater than 0, means whatever comes off from the stack is a right one. However, it could be in the case when if the case where if the temperature is negative, means all the asteroid in the stack is toward the left. So all the right one are dead. So in that case, we just keep appending it, right? Because it's nothing to go against the one that's going to the left now. So, and that is the bulk of it. When we have, the starting point will be, whatever is in the stack will be something is greater than 0, means it's all to the right. But in the case where, in this case, the starting asteroid is going to the left, right? And this statement is accounts for that scenario, right? If the asteroid is negative and the stack is empty at that point, we just keep appending to like a temp list, and then we would append this temp list at the end of the ahead of the stack, which we will be returning. So let's test this case. You can run some code. It works. Looks pretty efficient to me. Let's talk a little bit. This complexity analysis is pretty trivial, right? So it's big O of n being the number of asteroid, because we have this for loop here, loop through all the possible asteroids. So and that's why. And also for space complexity will be O of n as well. And that will be in the worst case where if all the asteroid in the list is going to the same direction, so that will be all of them will be in the stack or in temp list on the other direction. If everything goes to the left. If everything goes to the right, just go to the stack, and then we will return it. So space complexity is big O of n. So pretty straightforward question, and if we know that we need to use stack, this one is not that difficult. And yeah, so this is my solution. I hope you like it, and if you do, please like and subscribe to the channel, and hopefully I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.